Vanakkam guys, welcome back to your channel Vastranand. This is me Rachna. In today's video, like every time, we are going to show you gorgeous sarees. So, in today's video, basically we are going to have banarsi silk sarees, which is almost everyone's favorite. Lovely design. Look at the one that I am draping. Beautiful color combination, grey with a very nice dark purple shade and zari work. I'll show you all the details properly in this catalog. We have different color options available as well. So do not go anywhere, stay with us and let us start with today's video. So the first color combination that I'm showing to you is going to be green with red. So coming a little closer, we will begin with the border. This is going to be your border filled with lots and lots of silver zari work, and the design you can see, you can find birds and peacocks over here. The bottom border is going to be a silver zari border, a broad plain silver zari border showing you the main body weaving. So on your entire body of the sari, of this pattu sari, you will find small patches of silver zari work like this. This entire thing is going to be zari weaving. Now on the top border, it is going to be a red border with zari work again. Look at the shine. It is going to give you a very nice shine. Now this is the whole look of your sari. Let's open this. We have many different color options in this same design, guys. So stay with us throughout the video. At the end, you'll find red colored tassels like this. You're going to find a rich pallu, a rich traditional pallu filled with lovely design. Very perfect, clean work, guys. This is going to be filled with zari weaving. This is the main body. Now let me show you the blouse. This is going to be the red blouse material in contrast. Red is color from the border and you'll get an extra border for your blouse as well. So moving on to the next color combination, which is this very pretty blue color with purple color over here. I love this blue color. It is a very beautiful blue color. Let's open this. Very affordable rate, good quality fabric. Look at this. Here it is your rich border. Guys, if you like these sarees, how can you place your order? We have our application Vastranand. I hope you have already downloaded that. Go and download if you have not downloaded it yet. It works for both iOS and Android. Alright. And then second option is the contact number on your screen. You can just give us a call to place your orders or to ask any questions. And then this is going to be your blouse material in this sari, matching color of your border. Now we have next color, which is green with blue. So green with navy blue again is going very nice together, and this is going to be your zari work over here, a nice rose gold zari work, and here it is. So guys, I hope you've already placed your orders. Start doing that quickly. Also, even if you want to place wholesale bulk orders, you can do that because Vastranand deals in both retail and wholesale orders. This is going to be your blouse piece, which is the color of the border again. So the one that I'm wearing, I've already showed to you the color combination again. The one that I'm wearing is very trendy. Well, this is it for today's banarsi silk pattu sari. But we have many banarsi silk videos. You can quickly subscribe to our channel and look at the videos that we have uploaded already. Alright, do press the bell icon. See you soon. This is me Rachna and bye-bye from Vastranand.